Today, we will talk about how to teach our kids positive lifestyle. Kids are like an empty canvas where one can put any color and it will absorb the same. Whatever we are today, we know that somewhere down the line it comes from our childhood experiences. A child becomes what he or she sees around them all the time. Our habits become theirs, be it using mobile or reading, playing, talking, or even arguing. A child becomes what he or she sees around them all the time. So then, why don't we bring in good habits in them, which we now realize are good for us? The habits on which we are now working consciously for our mental and physical health. What if someone had instilled those habits in us when we were young? So let us instill a few little things in our kids in their early stage so that these become their habits. How to do it? I'll tell you 5 simple ways to indulge your kids into the world of affirmations. And remember, it takes time to build a new habit. So have patience and be kind to yourself and your kids throughout the journey. Before getting started, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates. Hit the like button if you appreciate what we do. And do let us know in comments. So let's get started. Practice number 1. As they say, monkey see, monkey do. When our kids see us cribbing, complaining and reacting on day-to-day things negatively, they learn the same. So then, why not do the opposite? Be aware of what you speak in front of your kids and how you behave. Respect yourself and everybody around, including your kids. Be a good listener. Practice to respond rather than reacting on situations. Trust me, kids learn these little things very quick from their surroundings. Let's take an example. If you fight with your spouse or anybody in family in front of your kids, you will notice slowly with time that your kids will also start talking to them similarly. So make sure you are aware of your behavior to everybody around, be it your family members or household help. Practice number 2. Every day in the morning, say the things you are grateful about loudly. And when your kids ask the reason, tell them the reason why you're grateful about it. Notice that they might not remember the thing you were grateful about, but they will surely remember the story you tell them, and this will help them build their story and their own things to be grateful for. So be creative and try to tell them a relatable gratitude story. Make it a fun game every day with your kids. Don't push them to tell their story immediately. Say at least 5 to 10 things you are grateful about, and it is absolutely fine if you are repeating the things you are grateful about every day. Practice number 3. Teach them affirmations and speak with them loudly before going to bed. Play the video with kids' affirmations when they go to bed so that it will be absorbed into their subconscious mind. For affirmations for kids video, check out the link in description box. Practice number 4. For teens, ask them to write a gratitude note before going to bed every day. Do it with them. Collect all these notes in a jar and read them at the end of every month or year or any other occasion. Now practice number 5. Build a vision board for them, with them. Go all in and be creative. Collect cuttings of your and their wishes from magazines, newspaper, or you can even take the prints. You can let your imagination go wild with a vision board and place pictures of the things your kids feel they would enjoy using and pictures of all the things they want their life to be. Help them understand how they can achieve these, what practices can bring those things. Make sure whatever they are putting actually helps them visualize it whenever they see it, and it should be relatable to them. Make it as colorful and vibrant as possible. Make sure you put the vision board in a place where they see it and look at it every day. Make them feel the feelings of having those things now. As you receive and feel gratitude for receiving, you can remove pictures and add new ones. This is a wonderful way to introduce children to the world of affirmation. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions.